their work complete, are headed back to the lab. Testing. 1, 2, work. Diane, you should have something for us.
First Long Island bagel in quite some time. I'm very excited. To me, there are two things you drink with a bagel from Long Island: Nesquik and orange juice. They're the only two things. Anything else, kind of weird to me. My mom's house didn't come with a shower. It only came with a very big bathtub. So, my stepdad did this, and it's amazing. And now it is time to go to New York City. I've been in New York City for 45 seconds. Already lost my wallet. I took a bus from the Hamptons to get out here, and my wallet is still on that bus. First New York slice, and I'm so happy. I did get my wallet though. Hampton Jitney, thank you. You had a very, very nice driver that helped me. Let me see you. Grace put a knife into her finger today at work. Chef's life.